little nose.
His brother kiss.
Oh,
That was a nice one.
that's very nice.
Very. Is he hairy?
Is he hairy? No, he's as smooth as silk.
He's a buddy. A buddy.
Oh yeah, well, did you see that button?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to see that for a little while.
Tongue.
He's got a tongue.
Oh, he's got fingers. He's got fingers.
Fingernails.
Fingers and fingernails.
Yes,
It's easy in his finger.
Yes.
he does have some fingernails.
All the necessary pieces and parts.
I think he's getting hungry.
He's taking it.
He's being silly.
So cute.
And see again.
It's a
Does he
baby.
have Reagan's stork bite?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Oops. Oh, your hat's falling, baby.
Yeah, we keep losing. That's okay.
Some guy.
And see again.
Okay. Go ahead.
See him?
You gotta be gentle like lotion.
Yeah.
You know, just
There's a little.
And see.
Oh, yeah, these are like little chews.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And like stick.
Yeah, and I'll be lower. See. Let Mama sit down. I'll sit. Oh, see, he wants to stretch. Babies love to stretch. Remember, Reagan? Oh, that doesn't want to stay. Babies like to be warm and cuddled. Yeah.
oh, he's tired.
He's tired. Is he sleepy, Reagan?
He got it.
He's got a neck. Imagine that. He's got little ears. See his little ears?
That's your brother. That's Reagan's brother.
Oh, he burped. Did he burp? Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. I know what time it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That's
And
about
that's
what we thought. No, that's it, right?
What's he
About
making that noise for? He's going to wake up and see you. He can hear his sister.
No,
he knows
that voice.
He's blinking.
Is he blinking?
He knows your voice, Reagan. See? He knows who you are.
He's saying hi.
Hi.
Did he hide?
Hi, big sister.
And see, he got away.
Oh, what?
He can't wave yet.
Oh,
Not yet. Oh my gosh, his ears are so tiny.
That's Mommy's voice.
It's Mommy's.
Do you want to sip of
What
water?
a beautiful little boy he is. Isn't he a beautiful little boy?
That's your brother.
And his
I
name
think
is...
his head.
Just go easy.
I know.
Just go easy.
Just gently. Just
Oh, that's so
so
nice.
nice.
Is,
Is he nice and warm?
is his head warm and soft?
Yes, he's so soft.
And we even think we might
I
have.
got
No, not right now.
Not yet.
Hey, what are you doing?
He has her feet on. Just
Yes.
And
Oh
I
my
was
gosh, yes. Same widow's peak.